The majority of Liberty students receive some form of financial aid, and the first step in that process is completing your free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA. This is the one application you need to open the door to financial aid, like grants, loans, Liberty scholarships, and work-study here at Liberty University, and it usually takes less than an hour to complete. First, to complete the FAFSA, go to studentaid.gov. This is the central hub site for almost anything you will need to do to apply for federal financial aid, as well as keep track of your grant and student loan usage. Here, you can create a new Federal Student Aid ID if you don't already have one. The FSA ID is a unique username and password you'll need on hand when you want to complete the FAFSA or any other task on studentaid.gov. If the FAFSA requires your parent or spouse's information, they will need their own FSA ID that is linked to their email address. You, your parents, or spouse, if applicable, should each create an FSA ID prior to completing the FAFSA for the first time to prevent delays in completing the application quickly. Second, be sure to have your Social Security number, tax records, and W-2s handy when filling out the FAFSA. The FAFSA will require some personal information, like your name and address, financial information, and some parental or spousal information. Pay close attention to the quick onboarding session you will go through prior to beginning the application. It will prepare you for the entire process. If you get stuck on a question, you can click on the tooltip icon to get help. Third, make sure to add Liberty University in the school selection section so we receive a copy of your FAFSA. Unless otherwise announced, the FAFSA opens every October 1st, and to get the best financial aid offer, be sure to complete the FAFSA early and accurately every year. Lastly, to complete your FAFSA, sign it electronically with your FSA ID. Your parent or spouse, if applicable, will also have to complete their side of the application and sign, if they are required, through their FSA ID. And you're done. If you need help or have questions, reach out to us here at Liberty's Financial Aid Office. We can talk with you on the phone, chat online, or even meet with you in person. For more information, visit us at Liberty.edu/FAFSA.